Watch it.
Oh, got it, Puppy. Very good, just drop the fucking thing, get some net move. Oh, fuck. Oh, this one just feels heavy because it's a light rod. Holy son of a bitch. Oh, it's actually decent. It's reasonable.
You on this side?
This side, put your net in. Watch it, pick it up. Yes! Oh! Hey! Oh!